He's seeing a disk. He's seeing figures moving around on top of the disk, and he calls them men. And we'll see later on that he is quite insistent that they are human beings. Yet he also says they're glowing. And human beings don't normally glow. And much later, he will tell an interviewer that I thought they were angels. And I think the paradox that the people on the UFO were human, but also more than human, must be allowed to stand. To refer to, I don't know if any of you have seen the documentary that was released just about a month ago called The Phenomenon. It's a documentary that tries to put together the best evidence for the reality of UFOs. And in summarizing and describing the Gill sighting, the narrator in the film says that he saw little men on top of the disc. Gill never described them as little. And it's clear that he saw them as looking, except for their being self-luminous, as ordinary human beings. The filmmaker is plainly trying to fit into the mold of extraterrestrial visitations something that does not properly belong to it. We have to find some other explanation of what these people are seeing. And remember, I already told you what they're looking at. We know it from a diagram that Gill did of the positions of the UFOs, which correspond to these bright stars and planets. How is what they're looking at transmogrifized into what they saw?